Baby, why your man not here? Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you another outdoor patio decor. Alright, let's get into the items we'll be using for this DIY. I got this nice little bicycle decor. I got it from Dollarama. It is so cute. And I got this silver bucket here from Dollar Tree. And these flowers, I believe I got them from Dollarama. I've had them for a little while now. And I got these round ball decor from Dollarama. And I have some white spray paint here that I got from Walmart. I have some white acrylic paint also. Got some Mod Podge. And some gold glitter. Got this gold paint here, not sure if I'll be using it, but we have it. And we have our gold bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. And we have our tools and our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started! Okay, I'm going to start by using this acrylic paint and painting our bicycle decor. You can spray paint it if you like, but I'm just using the acrylic paint. Next, I'm taking the flowers and I'm adding some white spray paint to them. I want to give it a different look. I like the spray paint look, so I'm spray painting the flowers. Now I'll be adding some glitter to the flowers. Some of our gold glitter. Just sprinkle it onto the flowers. Okay, now that our bicycle is dry, we're going to use the Mod Podge and our gold glitter. And we're just going to bling out our bicycle all over with the glitter, you guys. I take our little tin decor, which I've cut out the strips from our bling wrap, and we're just going to decorate our silver bucket with the gold bling wrap going all the way around. Next, we're going to add the flowers to our container, which is all blinged out. Just going to take a piece of foam that you get from the Dollar Tree, and we're just going to cut our flowers down to size and just place them all the way inside our bucket. And here's our finished look, everyone. Our blinged out bicycle for our outdoor patio decor. I like how it looks with the gold glitter going all around the bicycle. And I painted it white so the gold glitter looks very nice. It's just shiny and nice showing through with the white background. And our little sparkle in our painted flowers. I like how it looks with the painted with spray paint on the flowers. It looks very nice and an added touch of glitter. A lovely piece of outdoor decor. Yeah, it looks really nice. I could use it inside also as a nice little decor inside. It's very nice. Alright everyone, I hope I've inspired you with another lovely outdoor decor for you to do for this summer. You know, you can just take any simple item, add some added touch to it, and make it your own and make it look much more better than how you purchased it. And don't forget to give me a like, give me a thumbs up, tell me what you think about the video. That's leave me a comment. And press my subscribe button and also press the bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video to share with you guys of the DIYs that I come up with. Alright everyone, remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye.
You know you better give me, cause I'm waiting.